Hey gang, it's Dr. Brenda, founder of the Gutsy Women Club, where women dare to dream and take bold actions to follow their heart's journey. Hey, please subscribe below. It's also a very tired Brenda, so I drove about 6 hours today, which doesn't sound too bad, except that I was fighting high winds the entire time. And so it was constant steering. My arms are probably going to be tired tomorrow. A few mountains and big hills, and traffic was pretty good, but I am so tired. So this is just a one-night stay, and I was really looking forward to it because I could take a nice warm shower, I could do the laundry, take care of all those things. So let me tell you the way this RV campground appears on the website. Okay, so I'm at Happy Trails. Happy Trails is your desert paradise. Sparkling clean restrooms and showers. Manicured grounds with security cameras. Free, fast Wi-Fi. Clean, modern laundry room. We recently renovated the whole park, bringing it back from an empty space to a place revitalized. Full of new life and charm, this park has a subtle meditative appeal even you can appreciate. Sounds fantastic, so let's go on a tour of the RV park. Come along. All right, let me show you around. This is Happy Trails RV campground, okay? So you've got your office. Now look at the lovely manicured grounds. Aren't they just beautiful? Don't you get the whole meditative feel about this place? Those brand new, up-to-date laundry facilities, the sparkling clean restrooms. Okay, here you go, guys. We have a laundry room that you can't get into. It's locked, there's no water here. Restrooms and showers. Can you see the restrooms and showers? Oh wow, it's locked. Here's the restrooms and showers. Well, one restroom. How about that, guys? You want to use that restroom? Maybe this is the meditational place, right? Is this what they're talking about? Maybe this is the real nice, quiet, serene place for you to chill out in your lawn chairs. What am I missing? What am I missing here? What am I missing? I must be missing something, right? So we'll take you on a little walk around and maybe I'll be surprised yet. Here's your high security, folks. All right, brand new facilities, campground. Isn't this just lovely? Just lovely. All right, so, I bring you the glamour sometimes and show you my sights at the state parks, which are typically cheaper than this. This I think cost me about $40 a night for this luxury. And you've got space, but this is certainly a case of false advertising. And this is what happens. It's the same as if you book a hotel room and you read the reviews. And I did read the reviews. A lot of the reviews in this part of New Mexico are pretty poor. This was better than average. And the last reviews noted complaints, but they were at least 6 months old. So here I am at my rig, nice and cozy, next to the neighbor. And thankfully this is only one night, but can you imagine if you had really fell in love with the website and the description and came here for a week or longer, or even 2 days would have been pretty miserable. So, tired out, really frustrated that I can't do the laundry. It's got to wait. We'll get a nice hot shower, I hope, tomorrow at the state park in Arizona. But I have been bamboozled, folks. I have been bamboozled. All right, you guys take care.